नाजरीन आदाब एटीआर न्यूज़ चैनल में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। आइए डालते हैं आज की अहम खबर पर एक नज़र। ऐसे ही अहम और ख़ास खबरों के लिए एटीआर न्यूज़ को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर भी ज़रूर करें।
We work together for 10 years. पैसा रिश्ता वो किसी का 9 years का रिश्ता वो किसी का ओके
तो सर ने मुझे बोला सर आप डिलीवरी कॉलेज one cup of please. Size of the classroom.
Yes.
Anyone?
Please come this side, sir. Sir, from here. The front, sir. Teachers will present the PowerPoint, sir.
We have total this size classrooms 20 over here. Total 25 classrooms are.
Nisha pura ee classroom, sir. We are planning to first floor.
कैसा होता है आपको पता है, जो एजुकेटेड का जो अनएजुकेटेड का I respect the institutions because you are producing, intellectuals, you are helping families. थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है आजकल, थोड़ा रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है, वो अलग होता है. That's why I say that you don't underestimate any project. What is they are doing it. हमारा तरफ से
Good morning, everyone. We hope you all had an engaging and insightful visit to the Law College building and witnessed the proud inauguration of our new law library, a milestone in Islamia College of Law. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please be seated as we commence the official proceedings of the program. Please join us welcoming Professor Dr. Balakrishna Reddy Sir, Chairman, Telangana Council for Higher Education, our Chief Guest for the day. Mr. Haja Hassan, Secretary Sir, Ahmed Memorial Educational Society, Dr. Awais Ahmed Sir, Chairman, Islam ISL Institutions, Dr. Yenu Radhika Ma'am, Principal of Islamia College of Law, Mr. Mohammed Azim Sir, Director of Islamia College of Law.
A warm welcome to all the dignitaries, faculty members, and our newly admitted law students to torchbearers of our tomorrow's justice system.
It gives us immense pleasure to invite our distinguished guests and dignitaries today. To officially begin the program, we now invite our beloved Director Muhammad Azam Khan Sir, a scholar, a mentor, and visionary, whose dedication continues to shape the institution's academic ethos. I request you to kindly extend your words of welcome.
Good morning, students. I say good morning, students. Yeah, that's the spirit. Before going to say something, a very warm welcome to this session day, the new students orientation program of IS Islamia College of Law. Today marks the beginning of an exciting academic journey for our new students, a journey of learning, discovery and progress. We are deeply honored to have admitted as our Honorable Secretary, Sir Haja Hassan Sir, esteemed Chairman Sir, Dr. Awais Ahmed Sir, and our distinguished Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Balakrishna Reddy Sir, Chairman of TGCHE, whose presence truly inspires us. I extend a heartfelt welcome to our Secretary Sir, Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, staff, students, parents, all, even media persons who are here. Let's look forward to an engaging and enlightening session ahead. Apart from that, I can say something. I want to go for a small management game with you before going to start the session. Are you ready for that? I'm not going to take more than 1 minute. All of you just rub your hands for a while. Yeah. Now show your palms to me. I'm not going to read your lines. Now take in this position. It should be like this. Neither should have to decrease or increase. See, my right hand is up and my left hand is down. The judges are seeing you who are on the stage. The rule of the game, when I say 1, 2, 3, you have to clap. Before 3, if you are clapping, your mind is absent and body is present. Clear? So law students should be always active. Ready for the game? Are you ready? 1, 2. I say 2, not 3. Shall we try once again? 1, 2, and. I said and, not two. Yeah, now the concentration is there. It's over to you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. V. Balakrishna Reddy sir, for being here with us. It is, to be frank, it is a good and a great thing that sir has given time for our college and to our students, because I know the timings and the protocols to reach sir in sir's office. It's not that easy, because sir is a very busy personality, I know, and I have few things to tell about you related to sir. Professor Dr. B. Balakrishna Reddy is the chairman of Telangana Higher Council of Education. He is a renowned professor of international law. He served as an in-charge vice chancellor of JNTUH and Nalsar University of Law, and served as a former dean of schools of law at Mahindra University. Sir was also the registrar of Nalsar University of Law. Sir has led various centers on aerospace and defense law, tribal and legal rights, and SARC law. I think you know SARC, right? Sir holds an LLM in International from Osmania University, along with an MPhil and PhD in International Air and Space Law from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Sir has also the teaching and research experience of more than 2.5 decades. He also conferred the Meritorious State Teachers Award in the year 2017 by the State Government of Telangana. Sir was also conferred with Nalsar's Excellence in Research Award in the year 2021. And now, Professor Sir has also served as a visiting faculty in many reputed institutions along in the world, including universities in USA, universities in Canada, universities in Netherlands, Germany, France, Sri Lanka, etc. Sir has included articles in national and international journals and also books on AIR and space law. Sir has taught numerous courses in international law and also guided more than 20 PhDs. Sir, your dedication and administration acumen have greatly contributed to strengthen legal, education and social justice in India. Now, my question is, have you ever met a person with so many degrees and so many titles before now? I'm sure no. I'm telling you this because it is an honor for us that such a great personality is sitting between us. And apart from all this, let me tell you, apart from all this, when Sir entered the campus, I offered a cup of tea to Sir. Sir told, no. Students are waiting for me. First, I have to interact with the students. If chai pani se bhagne, first I want to talk to the students. First, I want to see how your students are in the college. कितने उन लोग का माइंड शार्प है. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू सी दैट. बाकी के सब चीज़ें तो बाद में चलते रहते हैं सर. बोला सर, आज आपकी ये चीज़ से मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है सर. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, everyone. So, without taking much time, because sir is very punctual about the time, so without taking much time, I'll hand over my mic to you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.